Imagine a world where programming languages evolve faster than humans can learn them. Welcome to 2024. In this dynamic digital era, the landscape of programming languages is shifting at an unprecedented pace. The tools of yesterday may not suffice for the challenges of tomorrow, making it essential for us to keep our coding arsenal updated. Intriguingly, we are on the brink of a future where programming languages themselves might become obsolete. Picture this: artificial intelligence writing its own code, outpacing the capabilities of even the most adept programmers. This isn't a far-fetched science fiction scenario, but a potential reality we might soon confront. But fear not, because as we stand on the cusp of this revolution, we still have the power to shape our technological destiny. By mastering the right tools today, we can navigate the future with confidence and competence. As we brace for this future, let's explore the top programming languages you should learn today. At number 5, we have Swift, the go-to language for all things Apple. In the fast-paced world of tech, Swift has taken the programming world by storm. It's a powerful and intuitive language that's designed for performance and safety. Swift lets you write code that's not only more natural to read, but also easier to manage. Swift is the backbone of iOS development, powering millions of apps on the App Store. It's the secret sauce behind your favorite games, utilities, and productivity apps. But it's not just about iOS. Swift is also making inroads into server-side development, and its open-source nature means that its potential is only limited by the imagination of its community. Swift's popularity is growing, and with Apple's relentless push for innovation, this is a trend that's set to continue. If you're an Apple aficionado, Swift could be your ticket to a successful programming career. Coming in at number 4, we have Java, the evergreen language of the programming world. Now, Java is a bit like that classic car that never goes out of style. It's been around for decades, but it's still going strong and is widely used in enterprise software. That's because Java is incredibly reliable and has a robust set of tools and libraries that developers can lean on. Another key strength of Java is its platform independence. You can write your code once and run it anywhere, which is a big deal in our increasingly interconnected world. It's like being able to speak a language that everyone understands, no matter where they're from. And let's not forget about Java's longevity. It's been in the game for over 3 decades, and it's still one of the most popular languages out there. That's a testament to its resilience and adaptability. For those looking for a safe bet, Java remains a solid choice. At number 3, we have JavaScript, the backbone of the modern web. A language that has stamped its authority in the realm of web development, JavaScript is the lifeblood of the vibrant, interactive, and dynamic web pages that we enjoy today. It's not confined to the front end anymore, it's making waves in the back end too, thanks to Node.js, a runtime environment that has enabled JavaScript to run on the server side. With JavaScript, you have the power to control web content dynamically, animate graphics, handle user interactions, and even build robust web applications. It's an essential tool in the toolkit of every web developer, beginner, or expert. One of JavaScript's greatest strengths is its ecosystem. Libraries like React, Vue, and Angular, and tools like NPM expand its capabilities, making it a versatile and powerful language. In the fast-paced world of the internet, JavaScript is the fuel that keeps the engine running. If web development intrigues you, JavaScript is a language you can't ignore. The runner-up on our list is Python, the darling of beginners and data scientists alike. Known for its simplicity, Python is like the Swiss Army knife of programming languages. It's easy to learn, with a syntax that's clear, intuitive, and almost reads like English, making it a favorite among those just starting their programming journey. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Python is also incredibly powerful. It's a go-to language in scientific computing, with a vast array of libraries and frameworks that make crunching numbers a breeze. It's also a heavyweight in the realms of data analysis, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, areas that are only growing in importance as we delve deeper into the digital age. From writing simple scripts to building complex AI models, Python offers a broad spectrum of possibilities. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer looking to break into data science, Python is a great choice. And finally, at number 1, we have Rust, the most loved language by developers for the 4th year running. Rust is a language that's been designed with safety in mind, helping developers to avoid common pitfalls that can lead to errors and security vulnerabilities. It's a language that takes a different approach, focusing on zero-cost abstractions and guaranteed memory safety. The result is a language that's safe, but not at the expense of performance. Rust's performance is comparable to that of C and C++, making it an excellent choice for system programming. But it's not just for system programming. Rust is being used in web development, game development, and even to build operating systems. Rust's community is passionate and growing. The language continues to evolve and improve, with new features and enhancements regularly added. If you're looking for a language that's loved by its users and has a bright future, Rust is the way to go. So there you have it, the top programming languages to learn in 2024. Swift, with its power and ease of use, is on the rise. Java, the old reliable, remains a staple in the tech world. JavaScript, the backbone of web development, continues to evolve and innovate. Python, the versatile and beginner-friendly language, is indispensable in data science. And Rust, the most loved language by developers, is leading the pack, particularly in system programming. In this fast-paced tech industry, continuous learning is the key. These languages are the tools that will help you build the future, solve complex problems, and create innovative solutions. But remember, the best language is the one that suits your project and your skills. So, choose wisely. Before you dive into learning these languages, take a second to like, share and subscribe to 10 Mins Info. Stay ahead of the curve with us.